Everyone present here this morning, and thank God that He has blessed us with this freedom to enjoy ourselves in the true sense of freedom, not to misuse the gift that has been given to us, but to use it with all wisdom that God has given us. And this morning, I won't say much, but I'm very happy that Mr. and Mrs. Vijay Lazarus and Mr. Don Lazarus are amidst us. And I will request Mr. Vijay Lazarus to say a few words this morning.
I'd like to stand here so that I got this honor conferred on me. And I'd like to congratulate all of you for crossing this milestone of 68th year of independence. My thoughts go back several years, and there are very few of my type present here who had seen the first Independence Day. I was very young at that time, and I didn't understand what independence means. But over the years, I have understood it. It was a beautiful reminder through all these items presented here this morning. And in particular, I'd like to congratulate the Heritage Club, which confirms what I think about our country and its progress. I'd like to remind you that I firmly believe in that slogan given to us by former Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, Mera Bharat Mahan. And indeed, I truly believe that we should all be very grateful to God for allowing us to be born in this country, India. In the whole of the world, there is no country like our land, India. And if you keep your eyes open to what's happening all around the world, you will agree with me that we are very, very fortunate people to be born in India. Thinking of the speech of President Obama, he warned American students to be very careful of the Indian students. They are likely to overtake you. He also said, when Dr. Manmohan Singh visited US, Dr. Manmohan Singh speak because the whole world is listening to you. And latest reminder that came to me was yesterday when I was reading a paper. A professor in Princeton University named Manjul Bhargava has been nominated for Nobel Prize for Mathematics. What does it say? Really, Mera Bharat Mahan. And looking back in my experience all through, I often quote one British medical doctor of our hometown. He lived from his childhood up to his over all the years. He established a very renowned hospital there. Early 60s, we were talking. And I can't forget his words. He said, remember, an Indian person will survive anywhere in the world. An Indian person will survive anywhere in the world. That means God has instilled some very special qualities in us Indians. And with that in mind, it becomes our huge responsibility how we handle all the resources God has put before us. There was a very interesting cartoon in yesterday's Times of India, conversation going on between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi. If you remember, it was about opposing. Since we are in the opposing front, It's our duty to oppose. But that hurts me because we all have special qualities. And why should opposition use that energy in just opposing what the other party is doing? I'd like us to instill a quality in us that we should always try to find things of appreciation, even if it is in the opposing party. If we try to appreciate what the other party has, we can build our nation and take it to a higher level always. Another thing I'd like to say is that never compromise quality. Try to bring out the best. Remove from your vocabulary chalega. That advertisement is coming. Good is the enemy of best. Remember that. Try to build up this quality that no, I will never be satisfied with what is good. I'll try to achieve what is best. Then I'd like to say that we are looking forward to greater things done in future through our able leadership. And I'd like to say that even when we start with our school, we should be grateful that God has given us wonderful leadership in Dr. Charles Samuel, Dr. Henry Samuel. Try to obey, follow, and carry on the vision God has given to them. And I can assure you that they will lead you to greater heights in future. Has been a beautiful program this morning. I agree 100% with what has been presented here. And I'd like to congratulate all the teachers and all those people who are responsible of making up programs and choreographing. In such a short time, you have brought out such a beautiful program before us. And I see a lot of talent here. So, take courage, go forward with what God has given you. Face the opposition, never be defeated because you have the inner strength available. The leadership is there for you. And so, this morning I'd like to say that you continue because the nation is looking up to you for future. God bless you and keep you going on the right path all through these years. Thank you once again for this honor. God bless you. Very happy.